Hi friend and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I am very grateful you decided to stop by my home for some Sunday reset motivation. Today is going to be a quick cleaning of my bedroom and I have two special surprises, one from my niece and one from a sponsor. So make sure you stay until the end so you can enjoy all the fun things that are going to be happening in this video. If this is your first time in my humble home, my name is Mariana. I am a mom of two older kids. We do have 4 dogs, and I am working full-time in a 3rd grade bilingual classroom. I am the lead teacher, and it is my first time teaching all the subjects. So let's just say my life right now, it's very, very, very busy. It is my hope that you find my home and my life relatable and somehow I am able to spark some motivation and encouragement from this side of the screen. I live in New Jersey. This weekend it has been raining like crazy. However, throughout the week it was in the 80s and all of a sudden today, Sunday, when I did this video, I'm recording this video, it is super cold. So tell me, how is the weather where you live and where are you watching me from? If you have children, I am curious to know if you have any tradition throughout this time. I know some people celebrate Halloween, others celebrate Harvest Fest. Which one do you celebrate? Do you celebrate it at all? Do you go pumpkin picking? Do you go and get yourself fresh apple cider and apple donuts? Do you like that kind of stuff, or you just like to chill at home with a warm cup of coffee? Let me know in the comments down below. Last time we went actually to a farm to pick up the pumpkins was 5 years ago, right before the pandemic hit. And I will treasure that trip forever and ever because it has special memories in my heart. Some special children were in my life at the time and now they're back home. Some of them, they're already flying solo. And it was just a beautiful afternoon. We created a lot of memories and I hope everyone will forever remember that trip. But anyhow, let me know, are you decorating for Thanksgiving already? I already have the itch to decorate for Christmas. I'm in a new classroom, like I said in the beginning. I just tell you my mind is racing because I am teaching in Spanish. I'm teaching to children that some of them recently arrived to the country, and I just want to make this time so amazing for them. And I am going to request your help. So I hope you decide to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned because I do need some help. And I hope that you, the viewer, can extend a helping hand to reach the homes of these wonderful children. And if not, your view will definitely count. I have to tell you a funny story. Like I said, today was just going around my room, just doing the basic because I am lesson planning today, Sunday, creating everything that I had to do for the week. I've been staying very late at work. Again, because I'm new at this. Last year, I was the long-term substitute teacher for a wonderful, wonderful teacher. And I will always be so grateful for the teacher that I sub and the teacher that took me under her wing to mentor me. And I can never forget how gracious she was. And if you're watching, you know who you are. And I love you bunches. And I am eternally grateful for everything that you taught me. But anyhow, quick cleaning in my bedroom because I got a lot to do and I'm loving every single minute of it, but I'm trying to decrease the amount of time that I had to stay after the kids go home in the classroom doing work. I've been spending a lot of time in the Facebook marketplace because I do need certain things for the classroom. And one of the things that the mentor teacher taught me last year is to try to make the classroom as cozy and home-like as possible. So I allow my children to go into groups and they go into what we call flex seating, which means that get up of your regular classroom seat. And I like to have like comfortable spots, for example, a rug, some pillows, I picked up 2 little sofas that were free, and my best friend that lives about 40 minutes from me, she picked it up because they were giving it away around her area. So I visited her yesterday, and this is where the funny story comes. So my best friend, first of all, I have 3 best friends, and we've been friends, one for 25 years and the other 2 for 12 years. So at this point, their kids, you probably know them already. The one that I went to Guatemala, they all call me Titi. I'm their aunt. It's like a surrogate aunt, and I don't know if you have family like that. So my friend and her 2 daughters and son, they also call me Titi. This is another friend of mine. And she's the one actually from Chaotic Homestead. And I'm going to link her channel below because she's the one that gives me the quail eggs and the hen eggs. And I give her the extra stuff that I have from my garden so she can feed her chicken. But I was there yesterday to pick up the free chair. And my niece has a YouTube channel which is called My NY, like the initials for New York, My NY. And she said, Titi, I want to collaborate with you. Please collaborate with you. So she invited me over to her bedroom. I sit in her comfy chair and I'm like, okay, let's collaborate. This is what we're going to do. We're going to collab because, you know, my channel, it's all about cleaning. We're going to clean our bedrooms because that's what I'm going to do tomorrow, which is today, Sunday. She's like, okay, Titi. So I come home and she sends me a video and she tells me, Titi, my video is done. I already did it. I did it digitally. And I'm not understanding what she's trying to tell me. She sends me the video and I'm like, that's so awesome that she cleaned her room, meaning her real room. But you need to stay tuned because this is how nowadays kids clean their room digital. And I'm going to include that video in here. And I hope you laugh and have the most amazing time of your life. And lastly, I'm going to be showing you a product that one of the sponsors, AFMAT, sent me for my other surrogate niece, my niece, the youngest one, and she enjoyed it too. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for chatting with me, listening to my stories, to give you some updates so you just don't listen to music and you have a friend to chat. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I ended up taking my AC from my bedroom down because it is that time and it's super cold here in Jersey. I hope you can hit the subscribe button, that you leave me a comment, and I cannot appreciate you enough. And as always, let you know that you are an MVP. You are the most valuable person right where you are. You have been fearfully and wonderfully created, and within you resides the power to do great things. Friend, until next time, stay until the end. Watch the video from my niece that I included her here. Go follow her channel. She usually posts shorts. And also, if you are interested in the toy for one of your family members, neighbors, or whoever you could give it to, make sure you check out the link in the description down below. I love you, and I see you next Sunday. Bye, friend. Put the batteries.
Let's hold the batteries there. Whoa. Whoa.
Dun, 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 dun. Pam, pam. You got some stickers. Ooh. Okay, we gotta get this out of here. You just turn and it comes out. You turn, sure, you try. You turn Love it. Take it out. Perfect. That was easy. Now let's try to put the batteries.
There's little stickers. Where's a screwdriver?
Oh, screwdriver. We just need a screwdriver for this. All right, we're gonna go. Just gonna take this out.
Coming.
Ooh, you think you could do it? No, the positive. Yeah, always go through the spiral. Press it first. Negative, positive. Now you try. Turn it around. Yep, but you gotta press the spiral first. Now press it down. Now the other one. Very good. Very nice. Let's close it.
That's how it works.
Let's make sure it's okay. And now, okay, you get a hammer. You get a hammer. All right, let's see. Oh, it would be nice if we turn it on so we have the volume here.
Oh boy.
Okay, we have the volume.
Please select the difficulty.
What?
Oh, please select the difficulty level. You have 1, 2, 3, or 4. Which one you want?
Hard mode.
She pressed 3. Okay, you ready?
No.
What did she say?
Press the start button.
Oh, start button, purple. Here we go. Ready? No, that's the one. This is the one.
Team, win. Congratulations. You passed this level. Level 2.
Level 2, make sure you press on the light.
Team, win. Congratulations. Team, win. Congratulations.
What? So
You passed this level. Level 4.
Oh no.
Mommy and Daddy,
To press the link below
put the link below
to get this for Christmas.
to get this for Christmas.